Amazon Studios has canceled tonight's red carpet for the Los Angeles premiere of the Romanoffs out of respect for those impacted by the devastating California wildfires. The screening at LACMA will take place as originally scheduled. The studio said it would be making a donation to the American Red Cross to help with relief efforts, and hopes others will do so as well. Amazon is the latest to cancel a red carpet event in the wake of the fires. Netflix canceled 3 red carpets this week, for Narcos, Mexico, The Coen Brothers, The Ballad of Buster Scruggs, and Suzanne Bier's Bird Box. Paramount also canceled the November 11th red carpet and after party for comedy Instant Family, and AFI Fest has canceled red carpets ahead of 4 of its gala screenings, including Steve McQueen-directed Widows and Nicole Kidman's Destroyer.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.